I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make white sauce using paneer. Heat 2 tablespoons butter in a pan, add 2 tablespoons flour and stir into a golden roux. Slowly whisk in 2 cups milk until smooth and slightly thickened. Crumble 200 grams paneer into the sauce and simmer gently for 3 to 5 minutes. Season with salt, white pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg, then serve warm with. Gather all ingredients and measure them before you start for a calm, efficient cook. Crumble 200 grams of paneer and warm 2 cups of milk gently so it won't shock the roux. Have butter, flour, and seasonings nearby to add without pausing. Use a fine whisk and steady strokes when adding milk to the roux to keep the sauce silky. Taste and adjust seasoning at the end for best results. Keep the pan at medium heat so the roux colors slowly and does not burn. Whisk continuously while adding warm milk a little at a time to create a lump-free, glossy sauce. Add crumbled paneer and simmer on low so it softens and absorbs flavor without falling apart. If sauce thickens too much, thin with a splash of milk until you reach the texture you prefer, then finish with seasoning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.